Welcome to our 1 month free crypto trading day 7. Today we are looking at future trading part 3 and our mode of concentration focusing on different type of chart patterns. So as we progress, like I've told you before, if you miss this opportunity, you are going to pay a very huge amount of money to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, future trading currency, and several other types of trading that has to do with cryptocurrency. I've dropped everything that you need to know, talking about the fundamental, the deposit, the withdrawal, the P2P, and several other things that you need to know. So today we'll be focusing on the chart pattern, which we give birth to technical analysis. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, I tell you the truth, you are missing a lot. So kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Like as I said before, I have given myself free for you for 1 month to teach you everything that has to do with future or spot trading. But signal will be a little steeper. I dropped it in our WhatsApp group yesterday. If you want to get a daily free signal, it is 90% free. You can also join our WhatsApp group so that every detail will be given to you. So you can see today we are going to be starting from a double top pattern. As you can see, we are going to be seeing a double top pattern, double bottom pattern, and as inverse head and shoulder, and ascending triangle pattern and descending triangle pattern, and several other patterns that you need to know and know. I'm talking about the double top pattern. It means a double top is a reversal pattern that signals a potential change from an uptrend to the downtrend. It forms when a security price reaches a high, pull back, and then rises again to the same high, only to fall back down. Now I want to advise you to make sure you pause this video so that you can go through this write-up. Ensure you go through the write-up very well. Now let's check it in the graph. Now as you can see, this is on Bitget charts. This chart is on Ethereum. You can see it's on Ethereum. You can also switch it to Bitget. You click on that. I've already taught you how to search for a coin. Let's just use a BTC that gives us the stable the chart. Now you can see this is the chart pattern. Now let's reduce the font size so that we can now bring out the actual this and our time frame here. I told you to get the best chart pattern, you must use the higher time frame. I preferably 4 hours to 1 day time frame. So we are on the 4 hours time frame. So how do we get a double top pattern? Now, like you can see, if you see this particular chart pattern here, you can see here there is a formation of double button. This is a double button, but the double button is here. You can see now, looking at it critically, this is one spot, this is one button pot, this is another button top. So and two of them, this is a double because it is repeated. This is number 1, and then this is number 2. So this is the double button. And now let's look for a double top. Now if you look at this graph, the graph very well, you realize that there is a double top here, and you can see this is number 1 and this is also number 2. There is a double top there, and you can see let's just get a straight line at the top there. Let's get a straight line at the top. You can see there is a formation of a double top, and as it's in button, double button top at the same time. You can see the two of them are already formed. So this, you can understand the formation. And we also have a perfect double button top here. You can see one is here and another one is here. This is the double button. You can see this is a double, perfect double button. You can see this is what we are talking about, the double button pattern. You can see it there. So I've showed you, and then the double uh, top pattern. You can see it there. This is what I'm trying to demonstrate for you, and how to trade within is okay. Now looking at the chart pattern, like as I told you before, when a double top pattern is being formed, looking at this particular patterns here, which is the first, the first resistance point, and the second resistance point. This is the second, the first double top. The first top, the second, the top. What does it mean if, as a trader, if you see such a signal when there is a formation of double uh, double top? This is one double top, and this is another double top. So when there is a formation of this double top, what does that signify? For as a trader, it there means that the buyers are losing strength already in the market, or the market is going through rejection. The buyers are losing strength. So what do you do as a trader? And when the double top is being formed, this is one and this is two. And what do? Then you are going to enter a short trading, or a sell trading, a short trading. And when you enter a short trading, when this pattern is being formed, you enter a short trading, then you are going to set your stop loss a little above this double top. This is where we have our double top, so your stop loss is going to be a little bit above here, and that shows that this market has a tendency to sell down, because there is a high rejection, and also the buyers are losing strength. So double top is formed at any time when the buyers are buyers are losing strength, and the market is going through rejection. That is when to take a short trade. Take note of that. It's a technical analysis. Now let's talk about the double bottom top. Now you talk about the double button top. Like as I showed you before, this is a perfect example. This is one top, and this is another button, making it a double button top, and the line could be drawn somewhere here. Now when you see such position or such chart, what does that mean? How do you take a trade? It then means, first of all, by interpretation, it then means that the sellers are losing strength. Now the market has been going through a downtrend, that is selling. So at this point, it has repeated again here. That is to say that the sellers are losing strength. And in other words, the market has given a perfect signal that there will be an uptrend any moment from now. So when you have a double bottom top such as this repeatedly, as a future trader, you cannot enter a long trade, or a buy trade, a long trade. Now when you enter a long trade at this particular double bottom top here, then what do you do in terms of your stop loss? You are going to set your stop loss a little lower here. Sorry, yes, is your stop loss a little lower, and then maybe your take profit somewhere there about. Now somebody is asking me, how do I know this point? Now let me show you something to do. You just give a tap, just tap the screen, the line will be drawn, and you will get the particular you can see there is a double line here which shows the horizontal and the vertical, the time of entry, the price at the same time. Now with this line you can see where to enter, and then where to set your stop loss, and at the same time your take profit. So you just tap the screen, this vertical line, we have vertical and horizontal line will be drawn, and it will also help you to mark where you can take your stop loss and also your take profit. Now in our signal room, we also give where to the entry, the stop loss, and the take profit. Everything will be given to you. So when it is a double bottom, you are to enter a buy trade or a long trade. When it is a double top pattern, double bottom pattern, you enter a long trade. When it is a double top pattern, you enter a short trade. This is a technical analysis. So for today's teaching, we are going to stop at this double bottom and the double top pattern. Like as I showed you before, the theoretical interpretation of it, which I'll be giving to you in the before the we drop a cutting for today, so that you can read through it and then come to your chart pattern, begin to find out. Make sure you are on 4 hours time frame. On 4 hour time frame, all you need to do, be able to indicate where to find a double bottom pattern and a double top pattern. Be able to indicate them on the chart. Any crypto exchange is the same. The chart is the same. BTC is the same. In any crypto future trading, Ethereum chart is the same. So either you are using Bybit or MS Pro or Binance, the chart pattern is the same. Take note of that. So this is the interpretation of what I was saying, double top. You can go through it, take the theory and practicalize it, double top pattern. And then the double bottom pattern, this is also the theoretical interpretation of this, that particular pattern. So make sure you pause this video so that you can go through it and be able to identify it. As time goes on, you are going to perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, share it with your friends. I tell you the truth, share it with them. It is free for now. Later it might not be free, and if you want to get daily signal, like as I told you, 90% free. You can get the detail from our WhatsApp group. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. Don't forget to like this video. If you watch the video and you don't like this video, it means you don't support this my effort at all. Make sure you give it a like and drop a very good comment. God bless you. Bye.